The G-Body Monte Carlo is having a serious moment right now. Chevrolet's last full-frame midsize car, the G-Body platform descended from the same family tree that produced the GTOs, Chevelles, and Cutlasses of the 1960s. The Monte Carlo SS and its rarer Aerocoupe variant were legends of NASCAR and the weekend strip back in the 1980s, and they are now enjoying a massive resurgence among builders who grew up watching them dominate. The car you are looking at right now is a 1987 Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe, and it was built by one of the most respected shops in the country for one of the most exciting giveaways in the automotive world. Goodguys Rod and Custom Association has been commissioning custom builds as annual grand prize giveaway vehicles, and for their latest round they went all in on the 1980s theme. They found a clean Aerocoupe in Texas and reached out to Eric Brockmeyer to create a rendering of what a modern Pro Touring version could look like. Jonathan Goolsby of Goolsby Customs lobbied hard for his shop to take on the build. In his own words, he grew up with those cars in the high school parking lots and raced them on local short tracks. Building this Monte Carlo was a bucket list project for him. Eric Brockmeyer tried several color and wheel combinations, but the consensus was that Summit White with gold accents best showcased the crisp lines of the Monte Carlo and added that unmistakable 1980s flavor. The foundation of this build is a Roadster Shop SPEC chassis. This is a complete replacement frame with CNC laser-cut and contoured frame rails and cross members, finished in a stunning gold powder coat that matches the wheel centers and exterior accents. Starting with a fresh frame rather than modifying the original was a critical decision. It allowed the team to build the car from the ground up with modern geometry, modern materials, and the exact specifications needed to support a 650 horsepower supercharged V8. The front suspension runs a Roadster Shop independent front suspension with performance-based coilovers and power rack and pinion steering. The rear features a Roadster Shop 4-link with coilover shocks. Every component was designed for serious road performance, and this car has proven it with more than 3,000 road miles on Goodguys Hall of Fame road tours and events. Braking is handled by Baer with massive 14-inch rotors on all four corners. 6-piston 30th Anniversary Series calipers, finished in custom white coating with Goolsby Customs engraving, provides serious stopping power. These brakes look as good as they perform, and the white calipers visible through the Forgeline wheels are a beautiful detail. The wheel and tire package is one of the highlights of this build. Forgeline AL307 wheels in a staggered setup measure 18 by 9 in the front and 19 by 11.5 in the rear, with brushed gold centers that tie into the gold chassis and exterior striping. Michelin Pilot tires in 255/35 R18 front and 325/30 R19 rear provide enormous contact patches. To fit those wide rear tires, Goolsby Customs widened the inner wheel housings and custom fabricated aluminum inner front fenders for better steering clearance and a cleaner underhood appearance. Under the hood sits a Chevrolet Performance E-Rod LT4 crate engine from Gandrud Chevrolet. The LT4 displaces 376 cubic inches with a 4.065-inch bore and a 3.622-inch stroke, running a 10-to-1 compression ratio. This is a factory supercharged engine featuring an Eaton supercharger, Chevrolet direct injection, aluminum cylinder heads, a forged rotating assembly, and a hydraulic roller camshaft. The exhaust exits through ultimate headers into a MagnaFlow exhaust system with MagnaFlow mufflers. A Wegner Automotive accessory drive keeps the front clean, while a Holley oil pan and a PWR aluminum radiator with integral dual fans handle the lubrication and cooling. The result is 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque from a factory-backed combination that is California emissions legal in 1995 and older vehicles. Behind the supercharged LT4 sits a new 10Li90 10-speed automatic transmission, also sourced from Gandrud Chevrolet. 10 gears provide smooth, seamless power delivery and excellent highway fuel economy. A custom drive shaft from Performance Driveline Engineering sends power to a 9-inch rear end with a Gear FX FN 988 center section. A Rock Valley fuel tank keeps the fuel supply clean and reliable. Inside the cabin, Goolsby Customs upholstered the interior in brown Moore and Giles leather. The original front bucket seats and modified rear bench were retained and recovered, giving the Monte Carlo an upscale feel that perfectly complements the white exterior. New door panels were built and upholstered to match, combining custom upper sections with pre-molded lower pieces featuring integral speaker pods from Dixie Restoration Depot. The original dash was refreshed with new parts from Dixie Restoration Depot and color-matched using BASF interior paint. Dakota digital gauges fill the instrument cluster, while a Flaming River tilt column wears the original steering wheel. Vintage Air handles the climate control, and the entertainment system runs a Hertz stereo head unit with Audison amplification and speakers, plus dual subwoofers. Goolsby Edge Edition pedals by Locar and painless performance wiring round out the interior. The exterior is a masterclass in clean, understated design. Goolsby Customs laid down BASF GM Summit White over the Aerocoupe body. Gold striping with GG lettering replaces the traditional SS graphics, paying homage to both Goodguys and Goolsby. The stock grille wears a custom emblem by Intech Auto, while dapper LED headlights modernize the front end. Taillights from Dixie Restoration Depot and Intech Auto side mirrors complete the exterior details. This Monte Carlo has already been road-proven with more than 3,000 miles on Goodguys events, including a 500-mile drive from the trailer unload point to its unveiling at the 2024 Summit Racing Nationals in Columbus. It is not just a show car that sits on a trailer, it is a road car that happens to look incredible. Jonathan Goolsby summed it up perfectly when he said that building this car got it out of his system, gave him the opportunity to enjoy it, and now he gets to pass it along for someone else to enjoy. That is what the car hobby is all about, and for the lucky winner, they are not just getting a show car, they are getting a fully road-tested, reliable, 650 horsepower pro touring machine with a Roadster Shop chassis, a factory-supercharged LT4, a 10-speed automatic, and one of the cleanest Monte Carlo builds we have ever featured.